Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Paul. This is my 2012 Boss 302. So I've recently gotten a lot of comments and questions on how exactly I installed a GT500 rear valance on my 2012 Boss 302. So since they don't really make this valance for the 2010 to 2012 Mustangs, I'm pretty sure that includes the 2010 to 2012 GT500. I'm not 100% sure on that, but anyway, so I want to give you a quick detailed explanation of how exactly I was able to get this valance on this bumper. So the 13 to 14s from here down, or basically the entire bumper, is painted same color as the vehicle, and on the 10 to 12s they're actually this plastic piece here that's attached separately to the bumper, and on the 13 14 it's all one piece. So what I did, this line here is already on the current 10 to 12 bumper, this line right here. So basically what I did, took a Dremel, cut this all the way around to the other side. Obviously I had the bumper off the vehicle and I had it upside down to make it easier for myself. So then what I did is I took the GT500 rear valance and pretty much clamped it where I wanted it, and then took this speed grip urethane body panel adhesive, as well as that epoxy caulking gun that I picked up at Napa. You can actually pick both of these up at Napa. This is a 5 minute. This cures in 5 minutes, so you got to be pretty quick with it. But it came out pretty good. I mean, the stuff is strong. I mean, it's like concrete once you get it on there. I can see if I can get a quick shot of the underneath. Just bear with me here. Got to grab a flashlight. Don't mind the messy garage. So I'm going to give you a quick peek what it looks like from underneath, since I didn't get a chance to tape this or video it when I was actually in the middle of doing it. But once I posted the video with the exhaust and everything on, I got a lot of comments and people asking me how I did this. So let me kind of show you how it looks from underneath. You can kind of see that there, the epoxy right there. I put it on kind of thick because I didn't want the stuff to come off. I mean, probably didn't have to use that much, but I just used everything that was given to me in the tubes. But it came out pretty good, as you guys could see. I mean, it looks pretty OE. Looks like it came from the factory this way, and you can't beat that look. I mean, they should have done this in all the S197s. You know, they started doing them in the S550s, but this look, you just can't beat it. Especially with the Corsa quad tips, it just looks fantastic. Get a lot of comments from people at car shows, even just driving around town. People are always asking me how I did this, so figured I'd finally put a video out there letting everybody know how I did it. And I also did a little, I got the reflectors as well from the 13-14 bumpers. Just put a little tint on there so it kind of blends in. But yeah, that's basically how I got this on there. Like I said, it's pretty easy. Didn't really take a whole lot of effort. Just basically taking the Dremel, cutting that out, clamping it, and just gluing it in. I did use a couple different types of glues I picked up from I believe it was Home Depot, but none of that stuff really worked. This was the best stuff to use. So yeah, that's my video on how I did this. You guys got any other questions about the car or anything else you want to see, just let me know in the comments below. Hope you guys liked the video. This is my first video, first time YouTuber. So I'll see you guys on the next one.